what's up? I am currently in Vegas. It is scorching hot outside here, guys. It's about 111 degrees. I'm dying, but you know what? It's Vegas, so don't mind me. I don't have a mask on because I could not breathe. I did have it on for a while and I'll put it back on in a few, but just wanted to talk to you guys for a quick sec. I am going to show you guys a few of the hotels and just show you guys how social distancing is working and how the strip looks. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm at the Forum Shops right now in Caesar's Palace. I just want to give you guys a little run through of what it looks like currently. Coming here, being around so many people, but it's honestly not that packed, and people are social distancing, they're wearing their masks, and everybody's doing pretty good with following the guidelines, so good so far. Oh, hey, it's you guys. Come on in. All right, guys, so I am here at the Venetian Resort in Las Vegas, and I'm gonna show you guys my room tour here. This is a deluxe king suite, if you guys are wondering, and we're gonna start off with a beautiful, beautiful bathroom. So let's take a look. We have a beautiful stand-up shower with marble and gold details. And we have a big jetted tub, also with gold details and some marble surrounding. And we have a gorgeous sink area with double sinks. We also have a nice TV here if you guys want to watch, any shows while you're in the shower or in the bathtub. Now we're heading to the toilet area. Gorgeous wallpaper. And we also, this is very special and unique, we have a gorgeous vanity area for all of the women that want to do their makeup and hair. And guys, we also have beautiful mirrors on the doors. Now we're headed to the main part of the room. So this is the deluxe king suite here at the Venetian. By the way, guys, they actually give you some masks, also some wipes and some hand sanitizer if you guys do not have any. This room is actually 650 square feet. Beautiful headboard. This is the living room area, guys. This room is huge. All right, now we're heading down the steps. We have nice lavender and gold touches to the room. Nice little desk area and dining area as well. Now we're headed to the closet area. So there's a nice little closet here. We already have our stuff packed in the closet. Also have a nice little iron and safe as well. It's pretty spacious. And now I'm gonna walk over here and show you guys the best part of this room. So we have little switches here, and click all, and as soon as you click all, you click open. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that room tour. I'm currently a little bit late to where we're supposed to be going. We have a reservation at this restaurant in downtown Vegas, so I will see you guys there. I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. So this is what I'm wearing tonight. Has a little open back, cute, cute, cute. Alright guys, we just got to Maverick Helicopters. We're going on a helicopter ride. It's my first ever helicopter ride, so I'm so scared. So wish me luck guys, I'm so scared. Ah.
Well, handle is exactly the same. It's on the top right here. Push the door away, slide it all the way down like you're in a van. Climb into this thing, use the handle skid tube step. Don't grab onto this to pull yourself into. You're just going to pull it off. Don't smack your head.
Back from Vegas and now I'm just home relaxing. I just wanted to remind you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. And guys, always remember to wake, pray, and slay. See you guys next time.